Mojo. No, Cleo. You gotta go in here. He doesn't need to see a big monster cat first thing when he comes out. Oh yes, Mr. Mojo. Look at him right there. Okay. Hey there, buddy. Wow, he's awesome. Look at that. Look at that pinstripe. Looks great. Looks great. Your name is Mojo. Alright, Mojo.